Jamaica survived a scare to record their second win of the Cricket West Indies Women's T20 Blaze after beating Trinidad and Tobago's women by 3 wickets at the Honours Vale ground in St. Vincent and the Grenadines on Wednesday. Batting first, the TNT's women posted 76 for 8 after the game was reduced to 17 overs per team due to rain. Dejemba Joseph was the only batter to reach double figures as she made 27. Veteran Stephanie Taylor claimed 3 for 9, while Nisha Ann Waysam and Vanessa Watts had 2 wickets each. Now, in their run chase, the Jamaican women were in cruise control at 60 for 2 before losing 5 wickets for just 15 runs. Shadeen Nation top scored with 24, while Taylor returned to make 21. Abigail Bryce with 12 was the only other batter to get into double figures. Brianna Haricharan claimed 3 for 17, while Karishma Ramarak took 2 for 13 for the Trinidadian women. The tournament will end on Friday with the playoff games and final.